Here are top 10 of the most deadliest big cats. Big cats are one of the amazing animals and are amongst the best creations of the gods' natural habitations on Earth. Earth consists of various forests, and here in these forests there are having an amazing wildlife that has always been hidden by the normal human crowd. They have one of the best abilities to endanger their lives behind many animals that hunt each other for food. They usually have a creative ways of hunting. 8. Wildcat. From millions of years, wildcats are known as one of the hunter cats that has small mammals, birds and other creatures of their similar size as its prey. There are several subspecies of the wildcats are eventually distributed at various regions that have a spanning area around the Asian, African and European forests. There are some amazing facts about the wildcat, as it is extremely timid and it avoids having some human settlements. It is amongst those animals that stay as a solitary and cling to a territory of about 3 km². Such wildcats are chiefly a carnivore that avoids insects and plants, as they are unimportant parts of its diet. They frequently hunt rodents and rabbits along with some lizards that are amongst the most common prey, along with some birds that are least common. Serval is amongst the subspecies that is an African wildcat that can jump over 16 feet vertically to the upwards to catch the flying birds. Some of the servals are very much friendly animal, they try to be domesticated, and it serves well as a wonderful pet. They try to share an emotional bond with anyone of the human family. 8. Wildcat. Puma. Puma concolor. Puma is one of the amazing and deadliest cats that are also known as the cougar, mountain lion, cat mount or El tiger. Everything about this animal is incredible, as it has an amazing forte of hunting its prey that are often twice than its size. They are the natives to the American countries that they are large and solitary cats that have a greatest range of any of the large wild earthly mammal. It extends from Yukon in Canada towards the southern Andes of the South America. They are an adaptable, generalist species of the puma that are found in every of the major American habitat type. There are certain primary food sources which they include the ungulates such as a deer, bighorn sheep and elk. 7. Puma. Lion. Panthera leo. Lion is one of the 4 big cats that with the same genus Panthera. They are members of the family Felidae. They have some exceeding weight that reaches around 250 pounds, that means 550 pounds, and is one of the second largest cats after the tiger. These lions are usually found in Asia and Africa only. The male lions occasionally that causes injuries under the seldom of the lions seldom so that they can live longer for more than 10 years as fights with rivals. They are a native of savannas and grassland, although they may take to bush and forest. They are usually known as a social compared with other cats. Their pride of lions that consist that are related to females and the offsprings and a small number of adult males. In which groups of female lions those who typically hunt their prey together. In rare cases, the lions hunt human and seek them as a prey. Lions are known to attack and kill the large preys, whereas the lioness does most of the major jobs of hunting for their pride, swifter and more agile than the males. There are most of the widely recognized animal symbols in the human culture. In the wilderness, males seldom live longer than 10 to 14 years, as injuries sustained from continual fighting with rival males greatly reduce their lifespan. In captivity they can live more than 20 years. They typically inhabit savanna and grassland, although they may take to bush and forest. Lions are unusually social compared to other cats. A pride of lions consists of related females and offspring and a small number of adult males. Groups of female lions typically hunt together, preying mostly on large ungulates. 6. Lion. Panthera leo. 5 Snow leopard. The snow leopards are one of the species of the leopards. The snow leopards are sometimes known as an ounce. Moderately large cat is native to the mountain ranges of the Central Asia and the Himalayan region. They are amongst the smaller than the other big cats but akin to them. They exhibit a range of sizes who generally weigh between 27 and 54 kilograms, that is around 60 and 120 pounds. The length of the body ranges from 75 to 130 centimeters, that is 30 to 50 inches. That has a tail of nearly the same length. These snow leopards have a long thick hair or fur to keep them warm in the extreme cold conditions. They have a well-based color, which varies from the smoky gray to yellowish tan. They also have whitish underparts. They also have some dark gray to black open rosettes of their body. They have some small spots that have the same color on their heads and have a larger spots towards their legs and tail. Snow leopards are carnivores and thus they For tiger. Tiger is the largest of the big cats that has an apex predator and an obligate carnivore. They are around 4 meters and 13 feet tall in length and that weighs up to 300 kilograms. They have a great bulk of power that can be recognized by its feature of the pattern of those dark and vertical lining stripes that eventually overlays a near white to reddish-orange fur. They are amongst the deadliest animals that are efficient hunters, along with some mixing speed, tree climbing, swimming ability, stealth and supremacy to the overwhelming effects. These big cats look amazingly beautiful because of their stripes, are known to be rare, and are well known for its stealth yet powerful attacks. They are known for being the territorialist, and generally, there are solitary animals that often require large contiguous areas of the habitat that supports the demand of their prey. For tiger. Three Jaguar Panthera onca. Jaguar is an ultimate all-rounder big cat that is devilishly stealth and is exceptionally swift and is an efficient swimmer that can climb the trees. The jaguar is recognized as the third largest feline after the tiger and lion, as they are the largest and they are most powerful feline known to be in the Western Hemisphere. They present to be in large ranges that from Mexico to Central America, even towards the Paraguay and the northern Argentina. Some amazing black spots are found largely over this big cat. The jaguar enjoys swimming. It has developed some marvelous powerful bite that is even relative from most of the other big cats. This allows them to pierce the shells of the armored reptiles. The jaguar hunts by biting on the skull of the prey between the ears to deliver a fatal blow towards the brain. The jaguar is a much capable animal that has the quality to kill large also while swimming, and that its strength is such that they carcasses as large as a heifer that can be hauled up with three to avoid flood levels. This spotted cat most closely resembles the leopard physically, although it is usually larger and of sturdier. Two leopards Panthera pardus. Leopards are amongst the Felidae family, and that they are the smallest of the four big cats that are to be found in the genus of the Panthera. Leopards are found in large numbers and over a wide range over Asia and Africa that are greater than the other panthers species. The leopard consists of small legs and they consist of a long body along with a large skull. Mainly it resembles just like the jaguar, even though it is one of the smaller and the slighter build. Their fur is marked with some rosettes that lack some internal spots distinct from those of the jaguar. The leopards can hunt down any animal whether it is of its own size, smaller or triple to its size or height. These leopards, preferably found at the habitats that range from the rainforest along with the desert terrains. It plays an ecological role that is similar to those of the American puma. They are said to be agile and a stealthy predator. They are smaller than the other genus. They still take a large prey that has a massive skull along with some powerful jaw muscles that can be utilized quite exceptionally. It is similar in appearance to the jaguar, but has a smaller, lighter physique. Its fur is marked with rosettes similar to those of the jaguar. Fossil records suggest that in the late Pleistocene, domestic cats. Yes, it is quite surprising that such cute and cuddling cats can be preferably known amongst the deadliest cats. They can be easily converted into the greatest killing cat. The above-mentioned variations of the cats are similar to our house cat. They have a huge split when it comes to hunting the other animals. A domestic car on an average kills over thousands of animals and insects that majorly like 200 different species. They can kill any animal either if their size or if they are hungry. Many times the cats do hunt, but they do not eat it. They hunt and play with their prey. Hunting is one of the fun activities for these domestic cats. They have an excellent night vision quality. They have an acute sense of smell. It has been said that the cats can eventually survive under the danger that is to be found in this forest, and that they also have an inbuilt survival skills that no other domestic animal could do. The hunting capabilities of this cat is natural. Their terror has already been Welcome to the City of Freedom. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to it by clicking on the bell button next to send me notifications.